Hey, George Pierce here. Today I'm testing out the new Sphero Spark kits that the Winnipeg School Division has put together. Thank you to Lawrence Cote. You did an amazing job. So this is a Sphero, and it is a great tool for making coding come to life, because coding in itself can be a little bit dry, but when you can actually see the code that you've written come to life, and makes the whole engagement and willingness to problem solve and rewrite that code a lot more fun. So let's do it. Okay, so I've changed the rolling pattern. I thought maybe it would turn and roll in a straight line, but it actually needs to be given a direction every time it's given velocity. So let's see if this works. So I was able to make my Sphero go into a square like I wanted, but I think I want to add some stops in it so it does more of a right angle square rather than a roll around the corner. So I'm just going to add that into my program. Okay, so I'm going to add a delay after the stop this time, so it actually stops. think one of the great features about the Sphero and about what you can do with it is it comes with some really interesting information regarding programming. So you can actually change your block coding directly and see what it looks like in Java code, which is one of the most prominently used coding programs out there, directly in the program. You can look back at your sensor data. So when you run the program, you can see the sensor data, and it has things like your location and distance traveled, the orientation in terms of left-right axis, the gyroscope, accelerometer, how the velocity changed. So you can download that, and so it's a great intro to talking about math as well. It's not just about coding and that aspect as well. So you could really use this Sphero in many different ways regarding math. And then again, I want to encourage you to book these from the Winnipeg School Division. You get 10 of these, so you're not going to be arguing with kids about whose turn it is. You do need to have iPads to go with them, or devices if they have their own devices. But so 10 of these, you don't get 10 iPads with them. So you're going to need to have 10 iPads as well. Thanks for watching.